In this video, I will be showing you how you can make an eye-catching and free Marquee announcement bar in your Shopify store. First of all, head over to your Shopify theme section and then tap on the three dots and then make sure to have a duplicate copy of your Dawn theme or any other theme that you are using, as it is going to work for every other theme as well. Next up, we're going to be simply clicking on the edit code section, and you don't need to have particular knowledge about coding, as I will going to provide every single thing. So start by simply creating a new section with the name Marquee. So simply type Marquee just like so and then click on done button. Once you are done with this step, next step will going to be, so now you just need to click the link in the description below, and this is going to open up a Google Docs file. Now you just need to copy the Marquee effect code first of all. So simply scroll all the way down and copy your code. Once you are done, next step will going to be simply replacing this code and then click on save on the top right. Now once you have saved the Marquee code, next up will going to be going into the layout, click on theme.liquid, press anywhere in the click anywhere in the code and then press Ctrl F on your keyboard, and then you just need to type this body tag and then click on next button. Now you need to simply paste the first code which is in the first line. Simply paste this and then you just need to paste it under the body tag just like this and click on save on the top right. Now you just need to head over to your customized theme section, so simply click on it, and now you just need to click on the Marquee text on the top left corner of your screen. You can also adjust the color and text color as well. Otherwise, let's just click on the text and add our text. Now once you have typed your text, you can also adjust different things like adjusting the background color just like this. Let's say I want to go with a darkish blue, and there you have it. You can also adjust the text color if you want to. Otherwise, as for the Marquee height, you can also adjust this just like that, and as for the font size, you can also increase just like that. Otherwise, you can simply scroll back and make it look a minimal design. So that's how you can add your Marquee effect into your Shopify store.